Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at some of the properties and uses of metals and their alloys. And the first one on our list here is aluminium. So aluminium has a low density, and aluminium also is quite soft and malleable. Remember, malleable means it can be shaped material, and it is also resistant to corrosion, which is going to make it very useful. Our uses for this, because it's a low density, it's very useful in the production of aeroplanes, the construction of aeroplanes. We use it in cans, so food cans, drinks cans, kitchen foil, and also things like window frames. They're exposed, they're outside a house, but it's not going to be damaged by the weather and the conditions because it's resistant to corrosion. Next on the list is copper. Copper is a very good conductor of heat and electricity. So that's going to give us some good uses for copper. It's also corrosion resistant. Okay, so our uses, obviously, a good conductor of electricity. It's going to be used in electrical wires. We've already seen in one of the early videos that things like cooking pans, because it's a good conductor of heat, and we also use it in plumbing to carry water because it's not going to corrode and react with the water. Next on our list is gold. Gold is a very unreactive metal, which is why it's such an expensive and sought after material. It's also malleable, and it just looks good. It's a shiny, it's got a nice appearance to it. So our uses all linked to those key features. We have got it's used to make jewellery from, often used in fillings. It's not going to react with anything in our mouths, the food we eat or anything we drink. It's going to be a fairly safe material. Magnesium is an alloy, as you can see here. It's an alloy of magnesium and aluminium. And this is quite interesting because this actually gives it an increased strength, but lowers the density. So we get an increase in strength of this alloy and a lower density if you were just to compare it to, say, aluminium, which we've already covered in our list up above. Therefore, our uses for this, again, it comes down to the manufacture of aircraft, because of that low density, but also because of the extra strength in there. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Brass tends to be used, or let's do the properties first. So it's got a nice appearance. Okay, it looks good. Nice colour, shiny. It's quite hard wearing. And therefore what we do with this is it tends to be things that are decorative. So if you look around your house, I'm sure that you have fixtures in your house, kind of door handles, sorry, that are made from brass. Just because it looks nice, it's going to be hard wearing, and that's how we use the alloy.